doing?
Hi.
Good, how are you? Good. Yeah, real quick. Can you hop up? Can you hop up? Come on, Opal. Hop up. Go ahead. Good girl. Jasper, you hop up? Good boy. Come on, buddy. You can do it. You can do it. Atta boy. Hey, gorgeous.
Hey.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Well, if you're new to our channel, my name is Todd.
And I'm Jasmine.
And we love to hike, travel, camp, and we bring our dogs with us.
This week we're going camping.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to Falls.
Yeah, it's going to be a beautiful weekend.
Oh yeah, we're extremely excited. And we're excited for you guys to tag along. So join us.
Yeah, come check it out. It's going to be fun. Hey. Checking out the place. Good job, guys. Yeah.
You said before.
That was pretty long.
Right? And why?
Wow, that actually kind of fits perfect.
Yeah.
Jazz. Nice.
Okay. You fit crawl in there. See how you like it. Let's use my test case.
It's not that bad.
Ooh.
It's not too bad, right?
No.
Alright. It's pretty nice in my tushy though.
No, for real.
It's not too bad.
This is our first time trying these out.
Yes.
And you'll see if we like them or not.
Yeah, in the past, which you guys haven't seen before, but Jasmine built this whole wood platform that would go in here and be up kind of high so we could store stuff underneath it. And we should show you some pictures.
Yeah.
But and then we had a mattress pad that went over it as well.
Oh yeah.
But
so nice.
we didn't have Opal the last 2 years camping, so we needed more room for the dogs. So we couldn't bring the platform or the mattress pad. So we just purchased these, and for the price, they were a little pricey.
Oh my goodness.
It was $35 each. So
yeah.
it came out
For
to
no reason.
over $70 for this thing that probably cost.
Yeah. 2 cents to make.
Yeah.
If even. But it's like overhyped. It's typically for backpacking. So you might just doing that in the future.
Absolutely.
And we can reuse these.
But I'm really thrilled with it so far. I think it fits perfectly in here. We'll let you know more tomorrow morning if my back can handle it, but I'm very satisfied with it so far.
Nice.
So we'll see.
Yeah, serious.
Let's put the rest of it together.
All right.
We just watched this thing last year.
Yeah.
Hanging outside over the. it. That's what the sense of exchange is. I'm assuming this is what you
You're so scared. Yes,
Oh, this is nice. Yes.
Yeah, stop here. I don't think that's a bad idea.
Can we grab it?
That's okay. What is sappy?
Let me know when.
Are you hungry? Literally. She's like, choking herself. Actively choking. Oh, there you go.
She's already gone through puppy training, puppy classes. Good morning.
Good morning.
It was a great first night.
Yes.
Slept pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
We tried out the new mattress and it was successful. It worked pretty well. I thought it was a little rough. Hurt my shoulder a little bit when I was on my side.
Yeah.
But I'm also getting old, so I think that might be an excuse.
Yeah.
Feeling things.
I guess my only issue with it was a little slippery, and like the Subaru is not completely flat, so we did travel a little bit.
Jasmine was sliding down. She was pulling me with her.
Yes, pretty much. That's my only thing. So, I mean, maybe worth $75, maybe not.
Better than nothing.
Better than
because we were
nothing.
not going to be able to fit the old mattress in the car with
Yeah.
all the stuff and the dogs. But I feel great this morning.
Mm-hmm.
It's a beautiful morning.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's going to get up to 70, high 70s today, which is going to be great, and sunny all day.
Oh, yeah.
I'm looking forward to it.
Perfect.
Really.
And we're happy to tag you guys along.
Yeah.
So join us. Oh,
No.
poisonous, of course.
We're at North Rim Trail.
Yeah, not
There.
that one.
Not that one. Not to start.
Yeah, I'm like, that one's the one with the stairs.
girl. Jasper. Hi, guys. Oh, hello. Oh, excuse you. Oh, Polita. Hello everybody, we are on the North Rim Trail right now, and it had some crazy stairs that Opal, they were kind of tall, so she had to hop up them. But it has been a beautiful day. It is sunny, dogs are happy, we're happy, we're enjoying it.
Yeah.
Hope you're enjoying it too.
We just finished the Lower Rim Trail, I think, with our friends. Now we're trying to finish this one. But yeah, it's a gorgeous day. It's supposed to get to high 70s, and I am starting to feel it.
Yeah, 100%, especially the stairs that we just went up.
Oh my God. And
I
now
feel
the
like
sun is out.
beating on us. Yeah, we were in the shade for the other one, which was nice. And then once we saw the waterfall,
Gorgeous.
it was like a nice breeze too. But we're up high right now.
It's hot.
Woo!
So we just cut through the trail to the campground, and now we're just trying to find our site. But we didn't really do a walk around the campgrounds at all yesterday, so we kind of get to see how it's organized.
Yeah, it's a huge campground. It
Yes.
really is. And they had cabins somewhere as well.
Yeah.
For $300 a night.
Stop it.
Crazy. Crazy.
I don't know if this one's $300 a night, but still, they are very expensive.
We'll stick to camping in the back of Jasmine's car.
Yeah,
It works perfectly.
exactly.
See what these look like.
Hey, good boy.
Whoa! We made it back.
We did.
We just hit up 2 hikes on this beautiful day.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous day. We hit
Yes.
up the gorges. So, gorgeous day. But it was awesome.
It really was.
The first one was great. It was down below. And then at the very end, you get to see this huge waterfall that was absolutely beautiful.
Gorgeous.
And then we got to do pretty much an overlook of it
Yeah.
for the second one. And the second one had some crazy stairs to start it off. My legs were feeling it. I'm literally ready to just kind of lay down and relax, be in the shade for a little bit. But what do we think about doing next?
We're thinking of heading down and setting up maybe a blanket, reading a few books on our Kindle, just relaxing, since the dogs, they did great on the hike, but they're passed out as well.
Yeah.
They're gassed.
They're
so
super tired, which
Yeah.
of course,
understandable.
but we brought enough water for us and them.
Barely for
Yeah.
us, but
We had to fill up. I think there's a bee near me. I'm gonna start running. We're good.
we're good.
But we hope you guys have been enjoying all of this as
Yes.
much as we have. And just keep tagging along and keep following our journey with us.
Exactly. And feel free to subscribe or send a like. It really
Don't
helps
forget to
us out.
subscribe. Subscribe, please.
Sure, go in. Go in. Go in. Yeah! Wow!
Come here! Come here!
So it started downpouring.
We got caught in the rain.
Just a little bit. And then it stopped.
Yeah, luckily it was very quick. Luckily we brought an umbrella to like block the sun, but didn't use it for that, but then it came in clutch.
It really did. Gotta be prepared.
Exactly. But it was awesome. It was beautiful down there, super peaceful.
Yeah.
Did a little bit of reading. Almost
yeah.
fell asleep, but
Yeah.
it was great. So we're trucking back to the campsite now.
We're headed back and we might make some food in a little bit. Interesting. Good. So it rained for about, what, like 2 hours?
2 hours, I'd say, yeah.
Yeah. We ended up just taking a nice nap, and we're up, we're making dinner. We got burgers and some smoked sausages that I showed you guys, and then a bunch of veggies, which I'm super excited for. And then we're thinking of doing a fire, and we might be roasting some interesting things. So stick around and see.
Yeah, baby.
We got a whole feast.
Oh my goodness.
There's a lot. We might not eat it all.
Don't show all my food.
Stop it.
So much.
And then the veggies.
Nice. Don't fall asleep, so I'm gonna want to fall asleep. If I want to fall asleep, it's gonna be in there.
Yeah.
Because once you get them out,
Yeah.
I won't keep throwing some on right now. It's going pretty good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are all packed up and almost ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta get this tent taken down on the pop-up, but yeah, it was a great trip.
It was awesome. It was a beautiful time. Weather was great. Great company.
Mm-hmm.
Good food. Last night's dinner put me in a food coma.
Oh my goodness.
And I had to go to sleep. I just fell asleep out by the fire.
Yes.
But it was an absolutely awesome first time here at this
Yes.
campsite. I really enjoyed it.
Yes, the Hognock Falls
Mhm.
definitely surprises.
Yeah.
And I think we got probably one of the best sites.
Without a
For
doubt.
sure.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It was very chill. And we were definitely ready to get home and
Mhm.
just relax and sit on a couch,
Oh,
to be
yes.
honest with you. But
Yeah.
the mattress pad, it was better the second night for me.
Yeah.
I liked it.
I feel like it was almost probably worse the second night. If you guys
Lots.
know any like small, I don't know, mattressy, if you guys do car camping, please let us know. We would love to take some recommendations and try a bunch of things out, especially
Yeah.
small stuff if it can fit.
For sure.
Let us know.
Share the tips and we'll share
Yes.
our tips with you.
Yes, exactly. I know.
Thing is like a teething thing, but I just don't know why she eats it, you know? That's what it's Margarita. Opal. Opal. You good?
And be nice to him. He's struggling. He's just waking up.
Nice, James. Car is officially packed up, and it honestly felt like we fit everything easier to leave with than coming down here.
For sure.
Opal, Chalu. So last thing, we just need to get the dogs in, dump the trash, hit the road, grab some breakfast, take a shower.
Yes.
And then
Dying
just
for a
chill.
shower.
Yeah, for sure. But I hope you guys had a great time as much as we did, and can't wait to see you all again next time.
Yes. Thanks for tagging along.
For sure. Peace.
Bye.
Hop up. Hop up. Hop up. Good job, guys. You did. I had so much fun this trip. It was absolutely awesome.
Nobody driving, we're in the back to the end of
This way or do we roll?